Hey, it's David. I'm going to give you an insider's look on 3 great things to do in Austin. Up first is Austin's Boardwalk on Lady Bird Lake. So we're just outside of downtown in the Riverside area. It's a great part of town, wonderful homes, great living options. Have some major employers like Oracle out here. And one of the new additions that the city completed in 2014 is this wonderful boardwalk. It connects the last mile of the 10-mile loop around Lady Bird Lake here, and it allows everyone to come out and enjoy the trail system without being interrupted and having to find their way around some major roads. Second on our list is the Texas Farmers Market. The Texas Farmers Market, wonderful spot to hang out with your family and friends, get some local fare, local produce, try out some new foods, and maybe a cold brew or two. The development is fantastic. You've got single-family homes and condos, all sorts of wonderful living options, retail, movies. There's even a museum here, the Thinkery, for the kids. Wonderful spot. Come check it out. You're going to love it. And to close out our list, sunset at Mount Bonnell. We're here at beautiful Mount Bonnell, one of Austin's most well-known landmarks. It's been a treat to come up here over the years and watch the landscape of the city change. It's beautiful. It's always great to come and see the boats on the water, enjoying Lake Austin and all it has to offer, as well as just the beautiful hill country scenery. It's like no other place except for here at Mount Bonnell. If you haven't been out, grab your friends and family, come down, enjoy it. It's truly a special place. Whether you're enjoying some exercise on the boardwalk, grabbing a sandwich at the local farmers market, or enjoying a sunset with friends and family at Mount Bonnell, there's something for everyone here in Austin.